Hey, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Stay tuned, let's check it out.
Beachy Beach.
Hi, come on in. Check out this wonderful two-story home with a master on bottom. But first, look at this open living space. You've got a perfect little living room here for your family. Plenty of sunlight to let the Florida sun in. You've got your kitchen next to your dining, and right here, it's perfect for entertaining and living together and enjoying together time. These homes are built by Camben Homes, a wonderful developer in the Panama City and Panama City Beach area. And what's so great about them is they use quality materials. You've got quartz countertops, you've got hardwood cabinetry, and look at this great kitchen all the way around. Pantry, plenty of storage space, and you've got updated appliances. This is perfect for any family. Welcome to the main bedroom. As mentioned before, it's downstairs. You've got the split bedroom floor plan, 3 of them upstairs, the master downstairs, so we adults don't have to keep running up and down. You've got a master closet that is so expansive and has the sunlight, and let's go check out this ensuite. In here, you've got so much space. You're not gonna be rubbing elbows or fighting over any space. You've got your dual sinks with this beautiful custom cabinet color. You've got a walk-in shower with a soaker tub. You can't ask for anything more. This home boasts a landing at the top of the stairs. You could have the adult living room downstairs and the kids or the teens upstairs. It's perfect, so much extra space. And while you're up here, you've got all 3 bedrooms as well as another bath. Check it out. So a couple other detailed features of this home is it's got a cute little balcony off of one of the bedrooms for maybe an older child or an office, as well as look at just the little backyard. This backyard is just enough for your 4-legged fur babies or just some time outside on the patio. It's not overly large or too much to mow. So if you would like more information on this beautiful home that sits at Callaway Corners, then look at the description below. There's a link directly to the MLS listing, and you can get a lot of more details there. And don't forget, subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Talk to you later.